Hey guys, it's Shapara. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. To all my old time subscribers, hey. To my new subscribers, welcome. Thank you for joining me on today. As you see from the title, I'm going to be showing you a braid out video using the Camille Rose Naturals, the Lavender line. I've already washed my hair with the Fresh Cleanse Lavender shampoo, and I followed up with the deep conditioner. What I'm going to use to style is I'm going to use the lavender leave-in. I'm going to follow up with that with the Crushed Defining Gel. And on top of that, I'm going to use for extra hold the WetLine Xtreme. So let's get started. This is my hair already washed. It smells so good. That deep conditioner has a tingly smell, a tingly feeling. My hair was just tingling. My scalp was tingling. It's a very fresh, exotic smell. It smells really well. Not sure if it's just the lavender or any other products that's in here, but the lavender is awesome in this deep conditioner. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to part my hair where I want it to naturally lay. I'm going to detangle it. I did detangle it in the shower already, but I'm just going to make sure it's further detangled. So on this side, what I'm going to do is oil my scalp like I always do. And I'm going to use the MicheBeauty oil. This is not the container that it comes in. As you can see, this is the cream of nature, but I used all that oil and I put the MicheBeauty oil in this container. And I got a nozzle from another oil, and I'm going to oil my scalp with this. And I massage that in. Now to style. So I'm going to use the leave-in. And this is very thick. It's whipped cream leave-in, lavender. And it is thick. See, I shook it and only a little bit came down. There we go. Very creamy. Has a very light smell. It's not a defined smell. I'm going to work that through my hair, making sure I get my edges and my nape and my ends. All right, so I'm going to work here. I'm going to braid this up. I'm going to add a little bit more of the leave-in. Just a little bit more. Leave-in is what's going to keep your hair moisturized until you wash again. That's the goal. All right. On top of that, I'm going to add the lavender gel. A couple of pumps. Has a very lavender smell. Just tropical. It smells very good. And smooth that in. Now this product has a lot of slip. Get those ends. Now I'm going to add the WetLine Xtreme Gel. Not a lot, just a little bit. And I already did the test in my hand, and these products do work well together. No beading or flaking. Now I'm going to take my dimming brush and brush it through just to evenly distribute the product. And plus you want to make sure your hair is very smooth when you do any kind of braid or twist out. So to braid, I'm sure most of you already know, you take 3 sections, separate in 3s, try to make them even so you don't have to borrow, and braid very tightly. That will encourage the pattern. Braid very tightly. Smooth your hair down as you need to. I'm feeling a few little bumps. So I'm going to take my Denman brush and brush it down. Try to smooth it out. And you braid. Again, try to make it very tight to encourage the pattern. And when I get close to the ends, I'm going to merge everything together and twist. 2-strand twist the ends. And then just twist it around my finger. And there you go. Okay, so I'm going to do the other side. And when I come back, I'll be done braiding my hair. I'll be right back. Hey guys, okay, I have done braiding my hair. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plaits. I'll turn around in the back so you can see. I hope you're able to see that. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to air dry my hair. And I'm probably going to air dry for a couple of days. So I'll be back in a couple of days to take these down and let you see what it looks like. And I will talk to you guys then. Be back shortly. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. It has been 3 days. The last clip, it was a Saturday. Today is Tuesday. So it's been 3 days since I braided my hair, and now I'm about to head out, but I wanted to record the takedown for you guys. I've been sleeping with this bonnet. The first night I slept with this thing here, like a do-rag to make it really tight on my edges, and then I put the bonnet on top, but then after it dried a little bit more, I just used the bonnet. So this is what we're looking like. Show you my ends. I ended up not using the rollers. Just kept twirling it whenever I'd be sitting around. So what I'm going to do is take some MicheBeauty oil. I'm going to coat my fingers and put some oil on it. And we're going to unbraid. But I want to show you how I just kind of find where the braid is and pull it. Just let my fingers guide through it. Makes it much easier to undo a braid. Put the oil on there. And this is what I get. It's my curl pattern. Try to separate it where it normally wants to separate. I kind of run my fingers through it. Just a little. And there we go. So I'm going to continue on. Right, now you see I am done taking out the braids. Now what I'm going to do, my fluff. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit more oil. Now I'm going to do these edges. This is what I use. It smells so good. Just take a little bit on my finger. I rub it on my hands. And I put it on my roots. Or my edges, excuse me. And this is all I do. And then I lay it on the top for if I have any flyaways. And that's it. Take my brush and I comb or brush my edges down. And that is all I do. See? And now I'm done. And I think it turned out really nicely. Now, if I wanted to, I could flip this, you know, play with this a little bit. You can fluff it however you like it. That's going to be it for today. I hope you guys have a great day. Take care, and I will see you on the next video.